Growing up, there was one summer activity that I loved to do every summer, and that was pick blackberries. We'd always grab our pails, go to the empty lots, pick the blackberries, come home with huge bucketfuls of blackberries, and scraped up arms and hands from those blackberry bushes, but the reward was greater than the risk. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is Johnny Mac from the Sauce and Gravy channel, and today we're going to do a delicious dessert sauce, a blackberry sauce. Great, so let's begin. We'll start off with water. This will help moisten up those blackberries, make sure they don't burn whenever we start to reduce them down. And then of course some granulated sugar, throw it on in. And then what makes everything better? Butter, of course. Throw it on in. Cook this over a medium heat, stir it up, make sure that butter's melted and that granulated sugar's dissolved. Okay, once dissolved, throw in the stars of the show, the blackberries, throw them on in. Then we're going to throw in a little bit of zest, throw in a little lemon juice. This will help bring out that super sweet flavor of those blackberries. Now you're going to want to bring this mixture to a boil, so keep it over medium heat, bring it up to a boil, keep stirring it, make sure that it starts to break down those blackberries fairly well. Once it comes to a boil, let it boil for about 2 minutes, then reduce the heat to low, and you'll simmer it for roughly about 20 minutes to kind of reduce it down. This is such a lovely sauce, you can put it on pretty much about anything, but I love to put it on either pound cakes or ice cream. It just goes so well. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of the thickening agent. We're going to add some cornstarch. Go ahead and add some of the liquid, put it into the mixture with the cornstarch, mix it up, and throw it on in. Okay, great y'all, so now we're continuing the reduction. Keep on stirring it, keep on reducing it down. You want to reduce it by about half. You might want to take that spoon and smash up some of those bad boy berries. That'll help the reduction process. Once reduced to where you want it to be, cheers. Add some brandy. It's optional, but it does add a lot of rich flavor to the sauce. Great, so now we've reduced it in half, added a little bit of flavor. The fun part is over. Now the workout begins. Go ahead and turn off the heat, grab a strainer, grab another saucepan, and get ready to roll. Pour all that delicious blackberry sauce into the strainer. Let it strain all the sauce through. This will help make your sauce super smooth. It'll get rid of those big chunky blackberry seeds as well as the thick skin that the blackberries have. Nothing worse than getting one of those pesky blackberry seeds caught between your teeth. Time for a little bit of elbow grease. Make sure that you smash all of those blackberries really well with that spatula. We want to get all the wonderful flavors out of these guys and into the sauce. After you've smashed all of those wonderful blackberries, you got all the flavor out, have a little bit of water, do a little bit of a stretch, but before you do that, make sure you grab a spoon, scrape off the bottom of that strainer, get all those wonderful flavors. You don't want to miss any of it. Check it out, y'all. Super delicious, deep red blackberry sauce. Oh my, how delightful. Well, thanks for watching, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe. Please do check the description below for a list of the ingredients. Please leave your comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Help support the channel by subscribing, and you know what? I'll see you all next time.